Welcome to this session on operationalization. Quite frequently, while we conduct research, we'll have to deal with abstract concepts. We have to convert them into measurable variables. Only if we measure them, we can relate them and build theories. This process of converting abstract concepts into measurable variables is called operationalization. Now let's look at how we can do this. We can do this with an abstract concept called affection. Let's use the context of affection between husband and wife here. Is there a definition for affection which can sufficiently and universally describe it? If you ask this question to a woman, what is affection to you? One wife may say, I will say my husband shows affection to me when he gets me a gift. Another wife may say, for me, affection is when my husband spends time talking with me. Wife 3 may choose to differ. I want my husband to continue listening to my talk without interrupting me. That's affection to me. Wife 4, I see affection when my husband makes coffee for me. Yet another wife may even say, I will say my husband truly shows affection when he gives his credit card and asks me to shop till I drop. As you can see, each wife will have their own definitions of affection. So how do we operationalize it? We will come up with a set of measurable pointers and create an operational definition. We have affection and we'll come up with a set of pointers. You have to note that these pointers should be very simple and measurable. They shouldn't be abstract. So for affection, the pointers can be the number of gifts in the past 1 month. It can be easily counted. Number of dinner dates in the past 6 months, it again can be easily counted. Number of movies that you went and watched together in the past 6 months. Number of fights in the past 1 month, this should be reversed. It should be inversely proportional. That is, more fights means less of affection. Lesser fights means more affection. And the number of hours spent with wife in a day. It can be the average number of hours. Like this, you can develop pointers to measure affection. Now let us use this to collect data from two couples and see if we can measure affection. For example, number of gifts in the past 1 month. Couple 1 answered that 3, couple 2 2. Number of dinner dates in the past 6 months 4, 6. Number of movie dates in the past 6 months 3, 3. Number of fights in the past 1 month 6, 5. Average number of hours spent with wife in a day 4, 5. So now you can measure affection. So for couple 1, the total is 20. For couple 2, the total is 21. Now we can measure affection and conclude that couple 2 has more affection than couple 1. And here's the operational definition. Affection in this research is defined as the number of gifts given in the past 1 month, the number of dinner dates in the past 6 months, the number of movie dates in the past 6 months, the number of fights in the past 1 month, and the average number of hours spent with wife in a day. Hope now you have learned how to operationalize a concept and what an operational definition is. If you have queries, they may be posted in the discussion forum. Thank you.